And then the 1990 Volkswagen Golf. It's a 1.8 liter gas automatic. I paid $300 for it and drove it home here to Holland Center from Welland, Ontario.
This will be subject of a future project someday.
Yeah, this is hopefully going to be a complete Golf restoration, basically. The engine out of the two-door gray Jetta is a 1.6 liter turbo diesel as well, and we're going to diesel swap this and manual swap it, and then get the body all done because it's from Alberta, so it's basically rust-free. It's very dirty right now, but there's very little rust. One dent on the fender there that was from something falling on it, unfortunately. Okay, this is going to be a little bit of fun because nobody's cut the grass in charity. But yeah, this is the 89 Jetta two-door, or slalom as they call them, I think. It's also a 1.6 liter turbo diesel, and like I said, it's going to be the engine for the white Golf. But we're going to probably just pull the engine and a couple other things and take the rest for scrap because it's pretty rough. There's not much left of the car, unfortunately. I was hoping to restore that one because the two-door Jetta is cool, but not much left of it to try and do that with.
Trying.
Not a chance.
And bad on the engine isn't secured, so
it's missing an engine mount or two.
Yeah, just one. I think just the one that actually stops it from, rotating around itself.
Hello, I'm Mitchell,
And I'm Greg.
and you're watching GB Productions. And if you're wondering why we're in a sketchy car, well, we're pulling the engine out of this thing today, as you guys probably figured out by the last little bit of time lapse of Greg pulling the car out of the graveyard.
That's a fairly substantial assumption that we're not just scrapping it as it is, but yes, stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Now we're gonna take this thing for a drive.
The sketchiest drive of your life.
And I've got my GoPro set up there so you guys can see us looking back, and I'm gonna try to shoot some other footage with my phone here.
Of what, I don't know, but
We'll see. We'll see what we see.
all right, are we ready?
No. This is the sketchiest thing I've ever done in my life.
I don't know if we have other gears anymore.
This is what we have first.
First, second, third. Oh yeah, okay, they're still there. I just don't have any reverse. So we can't get into a place that we can't back up. Or that we have to back up.
Okay.
I don't know if it's gonna roll. I guess we should probably find that. Clutch is really not. That's all doing nothing.
Clutch pedal goes to the floor.
Oh, we're rolling. Can't see anything. Can't see anything. Can't see anything. Snow.
On the list of the stupidest things I think I've ever done in vehicles, this is probably the top.
What do you mean? We're just going for a drive.
Yeah, in a car with no wipers in the snow.
Well, I was gonna try to see if this fan worked. I found all the pieces for it.
That leaks exhaust into the cabin.
Well, I think it's exhaust. It might just be electrical smoke. Nope. Nope. I should have suspected. Oh, maybe it's because this isn't. Oh no, it should be. I'm sure it doesn't work. If there's even one in it. Yeah, it should be. Alright, we'll go fast enough, it'll be fine. I used to have lights for this thing so that at least you had taillights and whatever, but not anymore. Hope to heck there's no police officer driving by today.
Say we're on a treasure hunt. Apparently that's an excuse.
It's for the tube.
Things we do for the tube.
You're not watching.
It steers itself. It's not torque steering.
That's mainly because the wheel bolts aren't actually tight. Oh yeah.
What's that?
Probably the engine mount.
Braking. Just remember, this road is like complete washboard today.
Well, yeah, and I wasn't thinking about us making a huge mess of this car that we're then gonna have to be under, but
We weren't thinking is the main point here.
it's fine.
Hear that nice turbo flutter?
Can't see where I'm going. There we go.
Also, we didn't
It has no mud flaps or fenders. What's that?
just
See the smoke coming out of it already? Hey, the bottom of the windshield is defogging though.
see,
Oh yeah, she's falling apart. Come on, girl. You should probably.
we should mention that the wheels only have 2 bolts on them, so
Yes, each wheel only has 2 wheel bolts.
they could theoretically fail at any time.
Oh, stay on the road.
Oh, I see the smoke coming out of there now.
Yeah. Yeah, the back window is clear. The frost probably still works.
Oh, it's going out of your window. Smoke. text me at least. So I think we'll just take this down to the corner here and then come back.
Can't see again.
Whoa, man. I have a feeling that I should have put my seatbelt on for this.
Oh yeah, I guess there is a seatbelt back there. Oh yeah, she's falling apart. Oh yeah.
Oh. So if we get stuck, what's the plan?
I guess walk back and drag it with the truck.
Yeah, you guys can see outside, inside.
Yeah, that wheel is not tight. But yeah, most of the clunking I think is the wheels not being tight. And with these ones, when there's no rotors on it, which I'm pretty sure there's not, the wheel doesn't fit properly.
So hopefully you can just make a U-turn here instead of having to back up.
I can't back up, so you'll be getting out to push.
He has no reverse.
Well, there is, but I can't access it. There is reverse, but I can't put it into reverse from here. I can put it into reverse up there.
Here's one of the roads we off-roaded on last year.
Yeah.
We didn't film that section.
Did we not?
No.
This is really good.
I can kind of see where you're going.
Yeah, why is your side clear and mine's not?
I don't know, because you're breathing, you're closer to it. Yeah, it's not having tire fly off on this show.
Sure. You can't see the smoke because the window's too fogged up. There we go. Combination of diesel and electrical burning.
I'm sure you can probably see the smoke on the camera now, going wafted by the lens. Probably can't see it on the camera I'm filming from back here.
Is it able to catch that on the camera?
I think so. Yep.
Yeah.
These aren't snow tires, by the way, that we're on.
Yeah,
they are.
well, maybe one of them, that one I think might be.
So one of 4 tires is snow tires.
Great, now we got somebody behind us.
Oh.
Well, that was fun.
Sure.
Should get some footage of that from outside.
Oh, I gotta get it somehow.
Yeah.
For our next trick, we're gonna move the car inside onto these ramps with no brakes.
Yeah, Mitchell's not going to stand in front of the car. Until, well, you're going to stand in front of the car until we get to the ranch to get it lined up and then get out of the way.
What happens to my tripod and camera then?
I mean, it's probably not going to go that far even if I did go off, but we'll see.
Okay, it's not perfect, but I don't think it'll fall off.
That's gonna. Should be enough space to work, I think.
That side's better on the ramp than this one.
That's okay. We're gonna be taking weight out of it, not putting weight into it. Not that it's gonna go anywhere. I will still walk through here with something.
Okay, we will be back when we're ready to actually do something.